Welcome to this FX Empire review of ACY Securities, a Forex ECN and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission based in Sydney, Australia. As we can see from the broker's homepage, they offer a wide variety of different asset classes, including foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, indices, and commodities. As we scroll down, we get a bit more an understanding of the different account types that are offered to traders. The STP ECN account, the Zero ECN account, and Pure ECN account. We'll go through these accounts in more details in a moment. As we scroll further down through their webpage, we can actually see the broker does offer some interesting bonus and promotional offers via special events such as the 2019 Asia Trading Cup, where there's a $150,000 prize pool. As we scroll down, we can also see the broker offers the MetaTrader 4 platform and a wide variety of different news announcements, market news, market analysis. And if we scroll all the way down, they also offer some ebooks for beginner traders.
So here we can actually see the ACY Securities regulation from the Australian Securities and Investments Commission website. Formerly, they were known as Synergy Financial Markets, but now they've rebranded as ACY Securities, confirmed here by the ASIC register.
If we scroll back up to the top, we can see on the homepage, there's quite a lot of different useful information available for traders, such as information regarding the history of the broker, different awards, and different regulations. We can also see the different account types that they have on offer by selecting account types. And if we look here, we can see they have the STP ECN account, which has a minimum deposit of $100. And you can see the typical spreads here of some of the major currencies like Euro dollar, 1 pip, pound dollar, 1.6 pips. If we scroll down further, we can see the commission per round turn. There are no commission available here on the STP ECN account, so it's a commission-free account. We can also see on the Zero ECN account, initial minimum deposit of $2,000, but spreads starting from 0 pips there on different currencies, with commissions starting at $6 per lot traded. We also have the Pure ECN account, which requires a higher minimum deposit of $20,000. Again, spreads starting from 0 pips and lower commissions starting at $5 per lot with different leverage amounts. So quite useful information there across the 3 different accounts provided by ACY Securities. We can also get a little bit more detail about the markets they offer by looking at products. And if we look at Forex, for example, and if we scroll down, it gives us a lot of useful information, such as some of the markets that are available, some of the major markets, the crosses that are available as well. Some charts here of the different currencies that are available to trade with, as well as information on spreads and accounts. And it does give you some useful information if for beginner traders on how to calculate profit and loss on different trades, as well as other things such as explaining transaction costs, the different currency pairs, and so on. Now, if we go to products, we can also see the broker offers commodity markets, offers precious metals, cryptocurrencies, indices, and the Chinese offshore yuan. Essentially, ACY Securities offers 60 trading products on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which we will look at in a moment. So as we can see here, we can see real-time sort of live spreads here for the different account types on offer. So Aussie CAD, for example, live spread on the STP ECN account, 2 pips, and on the Zero ECN and Pure ECN account, 0.5 pips. Also detail the swap rates here, which is the rate for holding positions overnight, as well as the trading hours. So lots of useful, transparent information there available for traders. The broker also has a decent education offering. So if we click on education here, we can actually see they have market analysis webinars, market analysis reports, news articles, an economic calendar, ebooks, and premium trading resources. So if we scroll down, for example, we can actually click on market analysis webinar and it will take us to this page, and we can learn more in this section if we want to, or we can scroll down and view the other different education and research tools on offer, such as market analysis as we scroll down, and the different market news reports, economic calendar, and the Forex Ebooks. If we scroll back up and actually click on seminars and webinars, then it will actually give us a detailed calendar of the different webinars and seminars that are available. So really, really useful for beginner and advanced traders as well. Big variety of different types of webinars. So a live trading webinar here for non-farm payrolls, NFP, Brexit and the Euro in the Spotlight webinars, so FX fundamentals, strategy playbook for day trading, FX and gold. So, a wide variety of different types of webinars that traders can enjoy. So this is done by their chief market analyst, Russell Sandiford. So really useful tools there for both beginner and advanced traders. If we go to the education, there's also a tab there for trading contest, as well as other trading courses and trading blogs. And you can learn more about the different types of trading contests they have available on a demo trading account as well as live trading accounts. And the broker also offers a trading course here. If we click on trading course, so we can see here they've got a Forex beginner course, and you can just register to sit that course. They also have a Forex advanced course as well. So really good, interesting information there for different types of traders. Before we look at the MetaTrader 4 trading platform provided by ACY Securities, let's check out their customer support. So they have a live agent here. So let's just ask the live agent a question such as, what is your maximum leverage available? So we've sent that, and let's just see how long it takes for someone to get back to us. We can see that actually it's been read. So quite nice updated feature there. As soon as you send your message, you know when they have read that message as well. So that's quite useful. So I'll just pause this for now until we get a reply. Okay, so within about 10 seconds, we've had a reply. What's your account number? I am a new trader. So we know that there's a live agent there readily available on this Friday afternoon in the UK time zone. So there's someone readily available to speak to, and quite useful there to speak to different agents via the live chat function. Let's jump over to the MetaTrader 4 platform provided by ACY Securities. So here is the MetaTrader 4 web trader platform provided by ACY Securities. Traders can actually access the MetaTrader 4 platform via a desktop download or via the web trader as we have here. So as we can see, we've got a list of symbols here on the left hand side. We have a chart here on the right hand side. Looking at the symbols, we can right click in this Market Watch window and we can click on symbols. And these are all the different symbols that are available to trade with the broker. So lots of different Forex markets that you can add to your Market Watch list. So lots of Forex markets there that aren't on there yet. And lots of exotic currencies as well. US dollar against the Turkish lira. If we scroll down, you've also got more currencies here based on the different accounts. We've got oil markets, so commodity markets, metal markets, so precious metals, CFDs as well for CFD indices, as well as a few cryptocurrencies. So we can hit close here. To view a market, we can simply left click on the market, like let's say here Aussie against the US dollar, and then just drag that onto the chart. As we can see here, Aussie against the US dollar, current spread less than a pip, so pretty tight spreads there. As we scroll down, we can see there Aussie against the Japanese yen, just a 1 pip spread there. Aussie against the Kiwi, around just a 1 pip spread there as well. So, fairly tight spreads there, very competitive. To place a trade, there's a few different ways to do so. We can either use the one-click trading feature here at the top. So if we click buy, it will ask you to read a disclaimer first of all. Once you've accepted that, you can click the button at the bottom and press OK. So if we go in and buy this market, you'll already see straight away, instantly, there's a buy trade there in the order window beneath. And you can also see the level which you're trading by the horizontal line on the chart. Now, what you'll notice is there's no stop loss, there's no take profit within this. So to add a stop loss or take profit, we can actually just go to the chart, and because we're buying this, we can left click and hold down, drag it lower to put in a stop loss. Now you see that stop loss has updated. We can also hover over the stop loss line just to confirm that it's there. We can also go to the horizontal line, left click, hold down, and then drag it up to put in a target level. And now you can see the TP, take profit level, has also been updated. So very useful one-click trading features directly from the chart. To close a trade, we can simply left click on this trade here and then right click to produce this list of options, and we click close order, and then we can simply select close, and then that's done, and then that will be in the history window. To place a short trade, we can simply click sell here at the top, and we can put a stop loss in the same way, this time dragging up the horizontal line, put in a stop loss here, and we can also drag down the horizontal line to put in a take profit. If we wanted to modify those levels without dragging the lines, we can also right click on the order here at the bottom, and we can click on modify, and then we can change here the stop loss and the take profit levels. Or we can simply just close the order here as well and just close that. There's also a wide variety of different time frames available to trade with. We're on the 1 hour chart, there's also the 4 hour chart, the daily chart as well. There's also a variety of indicators you can use, so insert indicators has the most popular indicators like Bollinger Bands, moving averages, the different oscillators like MACD, momentum, RSI, stochastic, and so on. So lots of different tools there as well, drawing tools, horizontal lines, equidistant lines, scan lines, Fibonacci lines. So lots of different functionality available for different traders, and different options here available as well on the MQL5 website, where you can access different options for those looking to customize their MetaTrader 4 trading platform. ACY Securities also offers the MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app. So let's jump over to that and check out that functionality.
So here we have the ACY Securities MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app, available for download via Android and iOS operating systems. As we can see here, we have a menu of different options where we can look at quotes of different financial instruments, charts, trading activity, history, news, economic calendar. If we click on quotes, we can actually see here at the back, we've got a list of quotes here for different markets such as gold, oil, and different currencies such as Aussie CAD, Aussie Swiss. If we go to Aussie dollar, for example, we can see the spread there just below 1 pip. We can also add different markets by clicking the edit icon here, and we can click on the plus button, and you can see there's different markets here to view, different currency markets, exotic markets as well. US dollar against the Chinese yuan, US dollar against the Singapore dollar, and so on. We can click on CAD yen, for example, then that will add it in to the quote window. If we go back, we can also look at charts, and we can see here right now we have a chart of gold. We can have a look at different things within this chart. We can either change the symbol, and we can go to, let's say, Aussie against the US dollar, for example. We can click on this plus icon, and this will be our pointer where we can see the dates and times at the bottom and prices on the right hand side. We can click the F button here, and this will give us a list of different indicators that we can plot onto the chart. So as you can see here, we've already got a moving average, relative strength index, stochastic oscillator. So we can click on the plus button, for example, and we've got ability to put on Bollinger Bands, MACD, momentum, so a wide variety of different indicators available to trade with. If we go back here, we can change different time frames from 1 minute chart to monthly charts, and we can also trade from the chart as well by clicking the plus icon. Here we have market execution. So if we bought this at market, an order has been opened, and we can see this order is now in our trading window. If we click on this, we can see there's no stop loss or take profit attached. So add on a take profit and a stop loss, we can simply hold down on this. It will pop up with these options. We can click on modify order,
And then we can start to put in a take profit and a stop loss. So we can put in a stop loss here by dragging the stop loss level lower. We can put in a take profit level by putting that higher. Click on modify, and we can see the order is modified. We can confirm that by clicking on the order, and we can see there's a stop loss and take profit attached to it. To close the order, we can simply hold down and click close order, and then we can see close here, and that order has now been closed. And we can also go back to the chart, or you can view that order there in the history window. As you can see here, that's that Aussie trade. We can go back to the chart here, and we can go back to the trade ticket, and this time we can look for a short trade. You also have different options, such as using stop orders and limit orders as well, or market execution. This time we can actually put the stop loss in place first of all, and the take profit, so then when we actually place the trade, it will already be attached. So sold at market, if we now click on this, we can see the stop loss and take profit is already attached. So very simple to use. We can close this order now as well, and close this. So very simple to use the ACY Securities MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app. Lots of different markets there to focus on as well. That wraps up this FX Empire review of ACY Securities. We hope you found this to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.